Hey guys, JdizzEats, and we are at Korean Garden in Winnipeg. We're gonna have some Korean lunch because I graduated high school, guys, got my diploma and stuff, and gonna try out some Korean food in here. So let's get into it. All right, we got a sushi. I think this is a tempura sushi.
Yeah.
Tempura sushi. And we're gonna give this a taste. Slightly breaded and just your typical sushi. So we got some tteokbokki. It's like a rice cake. Not good with the chopstick skills. We got some cabbage, scallions. It's in a stick, like a cheese string. We're gonna give this a taste. A little bit sweet and spicy. You know, Korean food is spicy, just you know. And the nice crunch of that cabbage. We got some Dackbokeum. It's a spicy chicken stew with some sesame and onions and carrots and cabbages. We're gonna give this a taste. I didn't get everything, but hopefully it tastes great. Don't make a mess here, guys. The chicken is spicy. Nice heat in there. A little bit sweet. And not bad at all. Yeah, Dackbokeum. Oily. And not the best Dackbokeum I ever have. But I think this is good for the price. Not bad for the price. We got some Galbijim. Beef kalbi. I'm gonna taste it with rice actually. Not bad. Not tender. Not too tender, but it's actually good enough. We're gonna give it a taste. Tender. Actually, I'm wrong. It's tender. And I think the sauce, you can taste the sweetness in there. Not bad with the rice and Dackbokeum. I see that sesame. I think put the soybean paste. Oh yeah, sweet and spicy at the same time, but not too spicy. Last bite. I already feel that spice in my mouth already. That's not the spice I ever had. Beef kalbi. Oh, I think it's falling wrong. Oh, oh my god. It's clean. Takes off the bone perfectly. And look what I have here. I think that's how tender it is. Give this a taste with this sweet sauce, braised. I think it's good when you're sick. You can really eat this one. I think I like the kalbi one. because it's tender, falls off the bone. Alright, what I think about the Korean garden is the Dackbokeum, the spicy chicken stew. It is spicy, sweet, oily, and that vegetable has that crunch, and it's not the best tasting spicy chicken stew I've ever had. It's just an average one. And then the Galbijim was pretty sweet, salty, and it has that nice aroma, smell, and taste on it. And then the beef is tender in there. And then the sushi there, not the best sushi, it's just an average sushi. And the Deokbockki was pretty okay too. But Korean Garden is just an average Korean restaurant. But the price is pretty reasonable. So should recommend try it out for just the price. And that would be it for the video. This was a grad lunch for me and my family. So if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos and content. Let's hit 100 subscribers. And guys, see you guys next video. Bye.